Welcome to Cyber News. Today's hot news. Cyber fraudsters turn to AvvalDesk app to dupe citizens. Cyber fraudsters are resorting to new tactics to deceive individuals, with AvvalDesk being their latest tool of choice. Operating under the guise of assistance, these scammers are sending links to users, directing them to install the app on their mobile devices. Once installed, the fraudsters gain control over the devices, enabling access to the victims' bank accounts and unauthorized money transfers. In a recent incident reported to the Cybercrime wing of Cyberabad Commissionerate, a finance professional from Narsingi fell victim to this scam. While seeking customer support for a watch purchased from an e-commerce portal, she received a call from someone claiming to be an executive speaking in Hindi. After discussing her query, the caller instructed her to download the AvvalDesk app to facilitate the refund process. Subsequently, she installed the app, provided a displayed code to the caller, only to later discover a significant amount debited from her savings account. Cybercrime officials have warned that fraudsters previously utilized AnyDesk and TeamViewer remote apps for similar scams. With increased awareness about these apps, scammers have shifted to AvvalDesk. They caution the public to exercise due care, avoid installing such apps, and remain vigilant against fraudulent activities. Victims are urged to report incidents promptly to authorities for appropriate action.